Just be bloodbath or GG's though. But you can, there's not even a straight fly at 67, I'm pretty sure. Where is there? I don't know. Well, 25 to 40 is literally one of the parts I practice the most. Oh my god! What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What? What the fuck? Oh my god. What? Wait, let me... What? Dude, what? Wait, is progression here? Wait, is he live? Oh my god. Well, I just fluked Black Blizzard from 38%. I fucking Rizek, I fluked the Black Blizzard from 38. Yeah, bands, I fucking fluked it from 38. My first drop attempt, what the fuck? 38%. Oh, dude. Dude, I was fucking... Oh my god, yo. Bro, bands, thanks so much for the fireworks. Oh my god. Yeah, Black Blizzard. I fluked it from 38. I fluked it from... Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck? Bro. Whoa, what? Bro, thank you so much. Whoa. We got a fucking progression. It's my set. Yeah, it's my fucking set. I fluked it from 38. What? Oh, no, it wasn't. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? I don't know. I haven't exited the level. For a second, it's okay. What the fuck is spamming gifts? Oh my god.